In this video, I will be talking about this question: what is the easiest way to build backlinks? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. In this video, I am going to talk about SEO for people who don't have much experience and tell you some of the easier ways to build links. Backlinks are one of the more difficult things to manipulate when it comes to SEO, and without them it's very difficult to rank highly on Google. Now, before I tell you about an easier way to build links, let me briefly explain how they work with SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. It is the process of how your website and the content on your website ranks for a given keyword phrase in the search results on Google. There are many different ranking factors involved with Google, and backlinks are one of them. There are basically two main factors when it comes to SEO. There is your on-page SEO and there is your off-page SEO. Your off-page SEO is essentially backlinks to other websites. This is other websites which are linking to your website, and the more websites that link to yours, the more upvotes your site is getting. Those in turn, this helps you rank higher in Google. I need to tell you though that not all links are equal links. For example, backlinks from websites like the New York Times or the BBC will be considered to be more authoritative and powerful than backlinks from a random site. This is just the starting point of SEO, and to get backlinks from high authority sites can be difficult to get. Having a backlink from an authoritative website can boost your SEO. So the question is, how can you get some of those backlinks? I am going to tell you about three simple ways. The first way is to create high quality infographics to tell your audience about your message. Infographics are a very good way to help explain the messages you're trying to convey, and people love visual images more than simply text alone. Let me give you a simple example. You could create an infographic based on how fast a wild animal such as a tiger runs in the wild. If you make the infographic animated, it adds to the visual element and draws more attention and engagement. This is a good way to represent information, and people really like to link to things like this. By creating high quality animated infographics to get your message across to people, this type of method will tend to generate links because people like to engage with visual content. Infographics are a good way to communicate information on any given topic and helps explain the message you want to tell people and your audience. You can find freelancers or other people who can help you create high quality visual infographics on sites like Fiverr and Dribbble. You can also find a lot of designers to help you create these visuals at affordable prices. So it is not an obstacle if you are a startup and just getting started. The next thing you can do to get more backlinks is to release free tools that help people with their online business tasks. There are now many free tools on the market which are owned by bigger brands and businesses. Many websites, brands and businesses will begin to link to these tools, so the people that own the tool will gain lots of backlinks in the process. If you can release a good quality tool, over time a lot of people will just naturally link to it. For this to work, you will not need to do any outreach. You won't have to contact a lot of people, as people will usually link to it naturally. The reason they do this is because it is free now. If you plan to release a tool or a software program into the market that a lot of other people have already released for free, it is much harder to generate links for your site. So, a good strategy for you is to try and release something like an app or software program that people would normally be paying a fee to use. It is fairly easy to generate links with this type of method, and you should not need to do that much to gain backlinks. Now, apart from releasing a software or an app and just being patient, there is something else you can do. If you are in a position where you can't afford to build a unique tool, you can use a site like Code Canyon to find a tool that is of good quality and put it on your own website to get more links to your site. You will find sometimes that releasing good, unique tools into the market and creating high quality visual infographics isn't good enough to get more backlinks. so you may need to do more. The third step you can take to get more backlinks is to ask website owners in your space to link back to you. You almost need to beg for this. Let me give you an idea of what you can do here. There is a free tool called Ubersuggest, which is an online app. You can use it, and what you should do is to go to the Backlinks Opportunity Report on the app. Here is what you can do. Go to ubersuggest.com. When you are in the app, go look in the sidebar and click on Backlinks and then Backlinks Opportunity. It will then give you a report. Inside this report, add your website URL and also add 2 or 3 of your competitors. You can add 3 competitors as a good number. It will then show you all the people who link to your competitors but who are not linking to you. I want you to think of it in this way. If someone is linking to a handful of competitors but they have not linked to you, this means they don't really favour one competitor or another, because they have backlinks linking to a lot of other brands and businesses in the same space as you. These are the sites that you want to contact. You want to have a look and see what pages they are currently linking to your competitor sites first, and you want to contact them. Here is what you can say to them when you contact them. Here are a few similar pages on my website, and here are some things that are different. And tell them why your content is better, and here's why you should link to my site. You can email them each of those sites and ask them to link back to your web page. You may want to explain to them again why you are providing more value than the competitors, and this will cause you to gain more links. And if your web page is not better than your competitors, go away and make changes, adjust it so that it's a little bit better than theirs, and then send off the emails. If the pages on your website are not as good, and if you don't actually have any pages that are similar to your competitors that people are linking to, you need to go and create them. But again, you need to make sure that the content you produce is better than the competitors. And if you are not able to find the email address of the site owners, you can use a tool such as Hunterio. This is a tool which will give you their email address for free. The next thing to do, if you want to know how to start and run an online business, then go and click the first link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online training courses available. They have courses to suit all needs and experience levels. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career, and provide you with the training and the knowledge you will need to launch a successful business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.